Today we'll show you how to fix your password, save it, it's not working in Google Chrome. Just follow these steps, not forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and go now to here to this is the settings, and go now to settings, and first go to autofile and password. Okay guys, and you can go now to Google Password Manager, or if you can just only go to here and to password autofile and Google Password Manager. Okay, after this just now go to settings to fix your saving password in your Google Chrome, like your Facebook, Instagram, like TikTok, YouTube, and other websites. Just now go to settings, and will be now offer to save a password and a passkey. Just click like this to open, and here automatic to create a passkey to sign out to faster like this too, and sign it automatic this too. Okay, after this just go to your password, your Facebook or Instagram or what you have in your website to saving. Just put your username or your mail and password, and you'll be find here like save your password, and just click to save it. And finally you have here all password will be saving here to passwords. Okay guys, if you don't, okay, or you can just here go to add password, like put here your website like Facebook, and here your username like your phone number, like your mail here, and here your password, and just click to save. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.